Hi, I'm Casey Krebs, the owner of Urban Hippie. All the granola I make is non-GMO project verified, handcrafted, and has no added artificial colors or flavors. Please check out my website at the link below. So we are making the granola cookies now, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my vegan egg. And how you do that is you take ground flaxseed. So I have ground flaxseed right here. It's 1 tablespoon, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water to it. And basically, you just mix it up, and eventually it'll just gel up, and it'll add the consistency of an egg. So in this recipe, you can use a regular egg, or you can make this flaxseed egg. So we'll just set that aside. And now what I will do is I'm going to make oat flour. So you can buy oat flour, or you can get oats and grind it up. I'm actually using this no sugar but you're so sweet oats, and basically it has flaxseed in it and cinnamon and other benefits. So we're just going to grind it up, and we'll have oat flour. So this will be a gluten-free cookie as well. Pour that in there. And we'll just turn it on for about a minute or so. Okay, it's a little bit rustic, but we will use that because this is a rustic cookie. So we preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I have already put coconut oil on my pan, or you can use parchment paper. And now what we're going to do in a large mixing bowl, we're going to whisk together all the dry ingredients. So I have my oat flour, and I have the Tahitian vanilla coconut Urban Hippie granola that we'll put in. So that's half a cup of sliced almonds. We have 1/8 of a cup of cherries. Let's go over here. So look how good this looks already. I mean, look at all of these. 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Oh, are they sticky? Okay. 4 tablespoons of chocolate chips. You can use mini chips, you can use white chocolate, you can use bittersweet, semi-sweet. 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds. And I have 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. So a lot of good seeds. They're really good for protein. They're really good for your health. I have chia seeds, which we all know is an amazing superfood. That's what it's looking like so far. Baking powder, baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, so put all that in. We'll mix it all together. Okay, and now we will take our wet ingredients. So this is the flax egg. It's like kind of goopy now. That's what you want, like an egg consistency. Well, so we have our flax egg, 1/4 of a cup of almond butter, unprocessed, pure almond butter. Here. This is 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. Goes right in. This is our coconut oil. It's melted. Make sure you melt it. Okay. There we go. Just 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just gonna 1 teaspoon. Mix it all together. Okay, now we'll pour these wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it all up. Yeah, so I didn't grind up the oats as much as I probably should have. So I'm gonna add a little bit more maple syrup in here. Okay, we'll just add a little bit more in. Hopefully it'll help make it a little bit stickier. But yeah, well, this is working. Okay. So I have the pan right here. I already put coconut oil on it so it won't stick. Okay, so we didn't have enough almond butter, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it into a square instead. I'm gonna put it all over the pan. And then we will cut them up once it's ready. My cookie sheet is 9 inches by 13 inches. So if your cookie sheet's too big, you don't have to go all the way to the edge. You can just kind of go like that, halfway if you want. You can use a round one, heart-shaped, any size you want really. So try to make it as even as you can. If you don't want this to stick to you, you can always put a little bit of coconut oil on your hands and it won't stick as much. We'll set the timer for 13 minutes and we'll taste. This is the cookie. Instead of the round cookies, it's a big sheet. So let's see how it cuts. Okay, so we turned it into a bar. I'm gonna taste it because I don't know what I did. Mmm. Good? Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going in, people.
Mmm, the cherry nut's so good.
Wow.
We'll see you later.